This is very dangerous disease. Waking up this morning, seeing the chicken like this. What might be the cause? Chai, very bad. Wake up this morning, seeing a chicken like this. Chai, this disease really dealt with me in my poultry farm today. It was very bad. So what might be the cause of this disease? This place is the isolation center where I pack all of them to that place. So, so what might be the effect of what is the cause of this disease in this farm? It's too much. Just wake up this morning, see them like this. It's very annoying. So, friends, well wishers, what might be the cause of this disease in the farm? Chai, see them, imagine.